What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. Today, I'm going to do a special, very easy, quick, refreshing cocktail called a Peach Cobbler. So lately, I've been messing around. This cocktail actually just came from me and the general manager of, well, my boss, really, Bryan, messing around. We're thinking about doing some new menus at Kohl's and kind of reconstructing some really classic cocktails. You know, kind of like 80% classic, but like 20% modern, just like really doing some nice drinks. So this is probably going to be on the menu at Kohl's sometime soon. It's really light and refreshing, but it actually could be drunk in the winter as well. It's one of those kind of versatile drinks. All right, let's just get into it. There's really not that much to say about it. I just want to do this like quick and easy one for you guys. First thing we're going to do is 3/4 of an ounce of orgeat, which is almond syrup. Then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Three-quarters of an ounce of peach liqueur. I'm using GE Macennes, but you can use whatever peach liqueur you would like. And 1.5 ounces of gin. I'm using Beefeater, which has got its really traditional London dry gin. If you want to use Plymouth, you can use that. Just try not to use something too botanical. You want to use something that has got a little citrus in its flavor profile with some botanicals, but not a ton. And that was 1.5 ounces if I didn't say it. Then we're just gonna do a little Scotia crushed ice, as we do for crushed ice cocktails on this channel. Give it a nice little whip shake. And the purpose of the whip shake is to get the dilution going and get the chill going, but you don't want to dilute it too much because it's going to be sitting on crushed ice, and so it's going to dilute pretty rapidly just from the hot air on the outside of the glass playing against the glass. So, you know, you just want to get the dilution going enough. Also, you want to like whip shake. You're going to aerate that lemon a little bit and give it some nice texture. The orgeat is going to give it some texture too. You know, and there's something to be said for these really simple reconstructions of classics. Like if you look at the Dead Rabbits cocktail book, then you'll see that they made an entire, by the way, you dump. They made an entire career out of just reconstructing classics that were inspired and then just putting their own spin on it. And they are one of the most sought after, one of the most famous bars in the world at the moment. Then we're going to just top it up with crushed ice. You want to have that nice, like, you want to have like a nice snow cone of ice. So you don't want to use ice that is too dilute. You just want it to be, like, you want to have that nice, you know, pebble ice that we got going on. And then we're just going to do a very traditional garnish, which is, you know, these drinks call for seasonal fruit for their garnish. Because we're doing a peach cobbler, I obviously am going to garnish with the peach. And some other berries and some mint to make it look pretty. So there we go. Got a nice mint bouquet. So you like kind of strip away the leaves and sort of make this nice kind of mint bouquet. This is, even though it's in water, it's actually getting a little wilty. I think the water might be a little too warm or something. And then you want to crush the leaves, get a little slappy pants against your handy poo. And then you want to like just break it off right by the leaves like that. Get rid of those long stems. Take your bouquet, your beautiful bouquet, and just stick it in there and stick it down far enough that it sort of sits up in the glass. And then we can just like put in our peach, like a little blackberry. And then I just decided a strawberry would be nice. So I'm just going to group it all together. I was going to skewer it, but I just thought grouping it might be kind of nice. I don't know. What do you think, Marius? How does that look?
Good.
Yeah, does it look good? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's like a nice little, there we go. Let's taste it. Oh, yeah. I mean, obviously, you know, 3/4 of an ounce of peach liqueur. 3/4 of an ounce of peach liqueur, that's going to taste like peach. You get a little botanical from the gin. The orgeat provides not, like literally peach liqueur isn't that sweet. It's really dry. So the sweetness, the balancing is coming from the orgeat, but you get that nice almond kind of spiced. It's kind of got like a spiced almond flavor to it, and it gives it a nice texture as well. And then you got, yeah, and like the lemon, obviously making it a little bit tart. So we did equal parts of 3/4 and then 1.5 for our gin. So it'd be a little gin forward. And there you have it, guys. This is gonna be nice, light, refreshing summer sipper. This is something that you wanna drink while you're on the porch in this hot, hot heat. That being said, I could see this as sort of like a after dinner, almost like a nightcap cocktail. It's just like light and bright. It's almost like, I mean, the point of it was to make it taste a little bit like peach pie, or like peach cobbler pie, if you will. And then the other thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that if you wanted to add a little bit more of a je ne sais quoi to it, you can just add a little couple of drops of vanilla extract into the shake when you're whipping it. I did not do that here, but you can absolutely do it and it will make it very good. It is an optional step. You can try it, whether you like it or whether you don't. I guess that's it, guys. If you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe. This is like a really short and dirty episode. And then also press the bell icon to get notifications when we post our videos, and that's really important for us. And then also, I don't know, did I say like and subscribe? I did not say like and subscribe. I should say it 3 more times. Like and subscribe. It's really important to us. The bigger we grow, the easier it is for us to partner up with different companies to help us bring you this show. And then also Patreon is a very important to us because it helps us to produce this show. So we've got some exclusive content on Patreon. Go to patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly to get that stuff. I will see you guys on another time.